of the culture, this is more than just a phase. Feeling like tsunami, see my walls split with the waves.
It's your boy Tsunami Timo.
Tsunami Timo.
What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Tsunami Timo. Well, you might as well just call me Timo because there's no tsunamis on my head, obviously. Now, I want to tell you guys what happened to my hair, and why I did it. I did it for you guys, okay? I get a lot of questions. Everybody wants to know, how did you start? How did you do this, that, and the other? So that's one of the reasons I scalped. I scalped so I can go through the entire process with you guys all over again. No big deal. I'm doing it for you. So that's one reason. So second reason is I was trying to shift my pattern. If you guys have been watching my channel, you already know this. The reason I discontinued that is because I'm not walking around forked up. So during the process of shifting, I had tons of forks. I did not like that. So that's the second reason. Third reason is my crown needed a lot of work. I never worked on it from a low length, especially not swirling it. So I had 360s and my crown was open, it was round like that. But I wanted to swirl, so that's what I'm doing. This time around, I'm swirling it from this length. So what I did, it's been about 10 days. 10 days ago, I did 4 against the grain, and I cut everything off. Now, it was sad, man. It was super sad to see my hair go, but hey, it's all good. We're bouncing back with 540s. Me doing this pattern is gonna show you guys a different way to brush and how to achieve this pattern. Every week, I'm gonna come and give you guys an update of where I'm at. So this is 10 days from scalping. So that's a week and 3 days. But I should have probably came to you guys the first day. But I'm actually kind of happy. I've been using some products, new products, some old products, and I'm brushing. Now, what products have I got? I've got a bunch of them that I need to review still. And we're gonna get into those. And then you guys could just see where I'm at. Not much. Like I tell you guys, it takes more than 2 weeks, more than a month, more than 2 months, especially if you cut down as low as I did. So check this out. This is what it's looking like. I don't really see any waves. I see a few ripples, but that's about it. So 10 days out, this is what I'm looking like. Okay, no waves, but they're gonna come back. Stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell next to it so every time I come out with an update on my waves, you guys can see it. So let's get right into the products. I got this in the mail. It's called 26 King Wavy. We've done reviews on 26 King Wavy brushes in the past. This is his product, and this is a butter moisturizer, whipped shea, all natural, 4 ounces. And it says locks in moisture, gives dull dry hair, softens. Hold on, that can't be right. Locks in moisture, gives dull dry hair, softens, shines, and manageability. I'm pretty sure it means that it gives dull dry hair shine, but that's not what it says. I'm telling you right now. But anyways, they got shea butter, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, castor oil, and fragrance oil, and essential oils. And you can see this little thing. I don't know if you can scan it through the video. That'd be dope though. Anyways, it says his name on there. He has a YouTube, 26 King Wavy, Instagram at 26 King Wavy. The information, you can email him. I'm gonna leave his information below. If you want to check this out, you can. Okay, and then his number is on here as well. And you can get this product at www.26kingwavymerch.com. And let's look what it looks like. This is what it's looking like. And you know, it looks simple. It smells kind of good, bro. It smells like gum. Like maybe not gum, but It don't smell bad, I'm gonna tell you that. And it looks similar to the goat drip, I ain't gonna lie. And yeah. Let's put some in our hands. Yeah, similar texture and everything. Let's put some in our hair. We're gonna be putting everything in our hair this video, but we're gonna check it out anyways. Boom. We're gonna follow because we swirling this way. Okay, so the crown is up here. What I'm trying to make my crown. Swinging it around this way. Boom. 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 No ways, we know that already. So, but we still want to keep our hair healthy. We want to train it from this length. So I've been brushing non-stop, regardless of if I have waves or not. And I've actually gotten a few ripples. You can't see them through the camera, but it's okay. I can see them, and I'm happy because if you get any ripples at this length, that's something to be happy about. So check this moisturizer out. I like the way it smells. It smells good, bro. And it goes in your hair real nice too. And it's not too expensive, so check this out. Go support the guy, 26 King Wavy, and his information is below. Now let's move on. This is Melanin Rich Men. They have a pomade, so let's read what it says on the container. This is a metal container, so remember I told you guys, Nick Wavy has a metal container, just a little bit smaller, but still dope, right? It says castor oil draws moisture into the hair while nourishing the scalp with vitamins. So that's what castor oil does. Cool, they must have it in there. Then it says organic candelilla wax smooths hair down, working to combat frizz and flyaways. Flyaways, that's, I don't know if they're talking about straight hair waves, because that's what do we have, bro? You seen my hair flying in the wind on Instagram. But anyways, hair pomade lays moisturize and adds shine to hair. Ingredients: shea butter, cocoa butter, candelilla wax, castor oil, olive oil, vitamin E, essential oil mix, and it's 2 ounces. So pretty sure they have different sizes. And I used some of this already. And smell is normal, nothing too crazy, and the hold is nice. I've tried this. I'm not gonna oversaturate my hair with products, but I'm gonna tell you, this is a good pomade as well. So I have tons of products. I'm just telling you guys, when I see a product and I come across a product and I like it, I'm just gonna tell you guys about it. Melanin Rich Men, this is what the container looks like. I'm gonna leave the IG down below, the website, all the information, so you can check this out for yourself, along with all the other products, okay? Melanin Rich Men, MRM, it says at the top. Now, another guy, this is actually something that I really like. This right here, I like this a lot. It says, this is for waves, your beard, and natural hair, all natural product. 2 Wavy Magic Butter. It has shea butter based with aloe vera, coconut oil, jojoba oil, tea tree oil, and hydrolyzed keratin. Now, it smells good. Off bat, I've been using a bunch of this. Well, not a bunch, but enough that I need for every brush session that I'm doing. I put a little bit in, brush it, then I wait, put the do-rag on, take it off, put a little bit in, brush it. But you don't want to put too much where it stays in your hair forever, but you can put this in your hair on a daily basis. This is like a moisturizer. This is what it looks like. Similar to the other product that I just showed you guys, this is a similar moisturizer. I like this one as well, so I'm gonna leave his information below so you guys can check this out as well. This is a good moisturizer. I've been using this for a few days. Can't use everything at once, so within the next coming weeks, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on all these products and tell you which one's my favorite one. But for now, I used this for the last 10 days. Today is the first day that I used the 26 King Wavy product, but so far I like this a lot. So next week I'm gonna tell you guys what I liked about the 26 King Wavy for using it for like, I'm gonna use it for like 10 days and I'll let you guys know. It probably takes longer for me to do a full evaluation of it and let you guys know, but for now, I like this for this last week that I've been using it. Now, this is gonna take a little bit longer too, because New Wave, they hit me up, they sent me this right here. New Wave Rapid Wave Pomade, okay? I use some of this. This is nice too. It smells like vanilla a little bit. I don't know. Maybe vanilla. I can't really put my finger on it. But New Wave Seize the Grease is what it says on there. That's pretty funny. But anyways, uses maximum hold, HD shine for best results. Use after tsunami cream. This is the tsunami cream. This is the moisturizer. So they're saying use this first. Like we always do this, okay? We use the moisturizer first, then we use the pomade if we use any pomade. A lot of people don't use pomade, you don't really need it. But when your hair gets long, when you're wolfing, you're gonna need some pomade. And when you're first training your hair and you're trying to get it to go in a certain direction, I suggest, especially if you're doing 540 or 360 swirl, you wanna use some pomade to get your hair to go in that direction. And you start at the crown, you put a little in each direction, and you brush it in. Okay, so the pomade smells good. It says it has beeswax, coconut oil, castor oil, vitamin E, honey, and mango fragrance. Mango, I didn't guess mango out of that, but wipe head with hot towel in brushing direction. Brush hair thoroughly in the same direction. Apply New Wave, Rapid Wave evenly as needed. Repeat brushing. And that's that. Once again, that's what it looks like. It's got a nice hold. I've tried this already. Just as a pomade though. I haven't tried the tsunami cream because I'm using the other moisturizer for this week. But in the coming weeks, you guys are gonna see me. I'm gonna try all these out and let you guys know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like any of these products, you want to test them out, you want to check them out, I'm going to leave the information below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Once again, it's your boy Tsunami Timo, and I appreciate y'all checking out the video. Stay tuned in the coming weeks so you guys can see how my waves look once I get them back. And I appreciate y'all, man. So if you guys like it, just keep coming back. I'm going to keep you guys updated because it's all for you, okay? It's nothing for me, okay? So it's all for you guys. I want you guys to see how to do it from scratch. So here you go. It's your boy Tsunami Timo. Appreciate y'all checking it out. And I'm out.
Sauce.